Dear students, you know, P&L account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Asset side and liability side. Fixed assets, current assets, equity share capital, preference share capital, long-term loans, debentures, current liability. Now, what is called financial management, my dears?
Managing the finance.
Managing the fund, managing the finance is called financial management. Now, with a great difficulty, I am going to procure the fund. There are two basic aspects are there. One is called procurement of fund, and one is called effective utilization of fund. The great difficulty, I am going to procure the fund. The procured fund, if I am going to invest, if I am going to purchase the fixed assets, it's a long-term in nature or short-term in nature?
Long-term.
Long-term in nature.
Before I am going to invest the money, we have to do cost-benefit analysis. Am I right or not? Before we are going to invest the fund, you have to do cost-benefit analysis. That decision-making analysis, whether you have to purchase a fixed asset or not, that decision-making analysis is called capital budgeting.
Capital.
I can invest the fund for the purpose of procuring fixed asset or not. That decision-making is called capital budgeting. The capital budgeting also called, the topic is also called investment decision. If I am going to invest the fund for current asset and current liability, it's a long-term in nature or short-term in nature?
Short-term.
That decision-making analysis is called, decision-making with respect to current asset and current liability is called
Working capital
management.
Management.
If I am going to, I am worrying about how to get the fund. From where I have to get the fund, whether I have to get it from equity share capital or preference share capital or long-term loan or debentures, in what way I have to get the fund. That decision-making analysis is called cost of capital and capital structure. Cost of capital and capital structure. From where I have to procure the fund, whether equity share capital or preference share capital or long-term loans or debenture, in which manner I have to get the fund. That analysis is called capital, cost of capital and capital structure. The capital structure is also called capital structure theory. Out of which, what could be my own fund? How much could be my own fund? How much could be the borrowed fund? You know, shareholders' funds are called own fund. Long-term loan debentures are called borrowed fund. What could be my own fund, the borrowed fund? That classification, that decision-making analysis is called leverage analysis. Leverage analysis. Now, in that overall entire P&L and the balance sheet, overall overview of our entire P&L and the balance sheet analysis is called ratio analysis. What is that called?
Ratio analysis.
Including the cash flow statements or fund flow statements. This and all comes under what? Overall, entire P&L and the balance sheet analysis is called cash flow fund. Clear? Now, managing the fund is called financial management. If I want to manage the fund, I need a financial statement first. Am I right or not? What is called a financial statement? Trading, P&L, balance sheet, notes forming part of account, including cash flow statements, are called financial statement. You know, financial management begins where? Where financial account ends, financial management. Am I right or not? So therefore, if I am going to analyze the P&L and the balance sheet, segment wise, we are going to analyze. That is called financial management. This is called your FM syllabus. Any doubt in FM syllabus? Overview of FM syllabus?
No, sir.
Are you with me? FM
sir.
Okay. So if you know the overview of FM syllabus, only if you know the overview of FM syllabus, while solving the problem, you can have the better clarity. If you enter into mall, அங்க போட்டிருப்போம் மேப் போட்டிருப்போம் இல்லையா? You are here. எந்த ஃப்ளோர்ல என்ன ஃபுட் கோர்ட் எங்க இருக்கு, தியேட்டர் எங்க இருக்கு, which way how to go for restroom எல்லாம் மேப் போட்டிருப்போம். மரைட் கார் பார்க்கிங் எந்த ஃப்ளோர்ல இருக்குன்னு. மரைட் ஆர் நாட்? So where you are தெரிஞ்சாதான் you can be the question what left or right or top or bottom and எங்க போகணுங்கிறது. Right? Same manner, whenever you are solving the problem, you should know the overview. Whenever you are going to solve the problem with respect to capital budgeting, yes, in balance sheet, asset side, that to fixed asset alone, I'm going to worry. But those items alone, you have to verify carefully. Or with me or not? While solving the problem with respect to working capital management, so I have to worry about current asset and current liability alone. Other items I don't want. You should know what we have to eliminate first. Then only can focus properly, can solve the problem. Are you able to follow or not? If I'm going to worry about what cost of capital, I have to worry about procurement of fund alone. Clear? So in that circumstance, I don't need to worry about fixed asset, I don't need to worry about current asset at all. So then only your focus will be proper to understand the question itself. Then only you can have the better grip over the solution also. Are you with me or not?
Yes, sir.
So any doubt with respect to overview of financial management ideas?
Yes, sir.
The note பண்ணிக்கோ போய்.
சார் இந்த ஓன் ஃபண்டுக்கு போட்டது வந்து